Good evening and welcome to Digital Entrepreneurs Hub 71st Mastermind session. And let me turn the screen on first of all.
How to attract your audience with effective, catchy, and trendy article titles. Okay, so I am sharing a lot of information today. So I think all are prepared with their pen and notepads to take notes regarding how they can transform their simple articles into effective ones, so that they can grab more attention of the audience. But before going ahead with this thing, I would like to share that please, I would like to ask over here a few things from you. Please tell me that who, I'm just sharing one poll with you. Is this your first mastermind? I'm just typing yes or no for the poll. And please answer this so we can start, so that I can know that who are new over here and who are old, like what is the percentage. So 33% are saying yes, 40% are saying yes, and 60% are saying no. So let's move ahead with the mastermind. I'm just starting a side show. Actually, not many people have come today. Also, there are only 9, and there are around 30 registrations, more than 30. So that's why it was taking time for me to come online, because people are joining late. I'm just starting sharing my screen over here. I hope you are able to see my screen. If you're able to see my screen, please type yes in the comment box. Hi Nitin, hi Murli, hi Aurobindan, Ashraf, Prantika, Priyanka, Shubhra, Aryan. All these people are there. So let's start. Okay, yes, all are saying yes, so I'm starting. Digital Writer Winners 13th Mastermind. Learn to create 10 trendy, on-demand, effective article titles. But before that, I would like to know from you people that what is the purpose of like writing trendy, on-demand, effective article titles. Please share whatever information you have in your mind. That what is the purpose of this? Please type something in the comment box, like what you all know about these. What is the purpose? What is how these things? How writing an effective article title benefits us as a writer. So I'd like to see your comments in the comment box. By the time more people will be joining us. So I'm just sharing my knowledge. First is to grab search engines' attention and bring traffic. Second is grab readers' attention to make them read your article actually. Excite your readers to read your article. Bring targeted audience to your article based on the keywords in your article's title. When you are writing effective like titles, then you are ensuring that only the people who are interested in your work are coming to your articles, and you can like even bring potential buyers of your products that are displayed on your articles in this way. So article titles are very, very important. So let's move ahead. Let's see that what our answer reader had queries to attract people who are searching with our keyword good, to grab attention of reader, traffic attention from readers, indexing in search engines for public queries, to rank in Google, good. This, all these parameters are there. It attracts attention. So let's move ahead with the next part. All these points are good to go. Grab social media attention also, because through your titles only you will grab social media attention. But I have already told you that you can, when you have like published your main article, suppose you have published on your main article on some website. After that, when you are promoting your article, your link and your text and your article's title on some other social media site, you need to tweak the article title. You should change it and make it more trendy, more attractive according to that social media site. Suppose you're putting your article's title on LinkedIn, then change it for professionals, for entrepreneurs. And I have already told in my previous mastermind how you can do that practically. Okay. So if this point, purpose of article titles is clear, please type purpose clear in the comment box. So I will move ahead with the next slide. Because today is going to be a very interactive session, and I will be like sharing a lot of ideas that I have, and I will be taking ideas from you people, whatever ideas you have in your mind, and I will mold your ideas into like effective titles. Okay. Purpose clear. So all are saying purpose clear. So I'm moving with the next slide. Spend time in researching your article's title. This should be your number one thing. See, when I started writing articles at that time, I used to spend a lot of time on writing article titles first. Whenever I was receiving some ideas, whenever a unique idea comes to your mind, write it out somewhere. In this way, then expand that idea into an article title, and then article title will be expanded into an article. Okay, because if you are not like if you're getting some ideas, unique ideas, and they are going away because they go in a flip of a second. So it is better to write it out somewhere in your phone, on a notepad, anywhere you can write it. And then after writing, start doing some research on whatever idea you have generated, whether your idea is going to bring that audience for you or not. Your goal should be to bring your audience on your article and bring traffic from that. So when your goal is optimized, then your mind will work in the similar pattern, and then you will receive ideas in the similar pattern. Okay. Now write a simple article title and rewrite it in different ways. This is another way. And then copy and paste the article title each time in the search engines to measure its value and worth and see that whether it is in the low competition area or not. So I'm just opening up one window over here, and suppose I got a title in my mind that how to 12 tips for 12 hacks for women entrepreneurs to save money for business. Because once you are into the business and you are not saving money because when you are starting some business, after that you need, in the first 6 months to 1 year, you need to pump 80% of that money again in the business. So these are some hacks which I'm going to share with my audience. I'm just giving you an example. So now when I'm just searching it out, then I will be able to see that many people have already written on this, but this doesn't mean that I will not be writing on that. I'll be changing my article title. 75 ideas for businesses you can launch for cheap or for free. No. 12 productivity life hacks. No, this is not matching. 6 ways women entrepreneurs can leapfrog to success. It's just nearing it, not completely. So give me some ideas on this topic. 12 women hacks for women entrepreneurs to save money for business. I'd like to see your comments. Please give me some ideas, whatever ideas you are getting in your mind, because then I will be telling that what to do regarding this case when you've got a lot of competition and you need to narrow down in that. Okay. Please switch to your current screen. Who is saying? Okay. RN is saying. This is the current screen, and I will increase the font. 12 hacks for women entrepreneurs to save money for business. I can even paste it in chat over here. Okay. So suppose I am not getting very good results out of this article title. So what I will do is I will go down and see that is my article title needed by users online or not. I will change it. I will just see that what this will bring. Women entrepreneurs help women entrepreneurs save money for business. Here are 10 places women entrepreneurs can look for small business grants and financial. So these are about getting grants and financial sources, but not about saving money. The same thing is happening over here also. So in this way, you need to search and narrow down to something which is different. If you are not getting that, then you need to leave this immediately and go ahead with another article title, another idea that you have already written in your notepad or on your phone, Okay. So now the next part. This is a simple how-to article titles. I am giving few examples. Most of the article titles you will be finding on how to, not on what are, but the how to is the most common one. How to prevent this, how to get this in these many minutes, how to get into this in easy steps, how to quickly make a recipe, how to make a make a dash in an easy way, how to jumpstart your career. Okay, how to dash, how to win a girlfriend without having money. Okay, how to strengthen. Whatever you have in your mind, you can create over here. Okay. How to articles are more examples are there. How to drive someone crazy. How to drive a standard transmission car. How to save money in 5 steps, how to choose the best best lawyer to file a lawsuit, how to build a homemade remote controlled car, how to create something without this. Okay, how to strengthen your relationship with your wife. Now, benefits of article titles, more examples. These are the benefits of types of article titles that I have already used in my articles, and these have generated a lot of money for me in the past. Benefits of horse chestnut, where to buy horse chestnut extract. So I just mentioned all the benefits of horse chestnut in my natural medicine articles, and then posted the horse chestnut extract Amazon widget in the hub pages. So in this way, I was converting my user who is reading my benefits into a buyer. You can also do that. Then benefits of long tail keywords that I've already explained to you people in the previous masterminds. Benefits of sweet almond oils, where to buy sweet almond oil. Okay, this is another example. Now these are the extremely important types of article titles. These are few examples. Essential ingredients for this. Key benefits of this. What everybody ought to know about this. The 7 commandments of achieving success. 5 rules for this. Why dash is the key to this. Okay. Then 5 most effective tactics to bring back someone to you. Okay. So there are many types of articles. How to instantly. Okay. Hacks for women in order to save money. Yes, good, Priyanka. How to save money for business, 12 hacks for women only. So these are the ideas which I need from you people. I need to see that whatever you people have in your mind, so we can mold it and bring it to make it something effective. And we will be discussing all these things in the Telegram group, because when we are discussing with each other, then other people give us ideas. So this is the benefit of community, and we will harness all the benefits of the community, because we are together for some purpose, to write effectively and to bring traffic and to generate money. So let's help each other. 5 ways to come out from depression. Okay, 5 ways to come out from depression. Yes, you can actually make some changes, and I will tell you how to do that. Shubhra, 5 ways to come out from depression is a very common type of title, so you can change it to something different. 5 antidepressive ways to give your depression a breakthrough. Means something different, something unique. You need to write to attract your audience. I'm just giving you some examples because I just want to angle your mind into that direction. Instead of writing simply, just write something different, because when you are unique, your article's title is unique, then more and more people will click on your article title in the search engine or in the social media, and they will go and watch your read your article or watch your videos inside or whatever information you have provided. So now your mind should be optimized in this way, that I need to bring people inside by using some trendy type of things. Article titles can go viral also. If you're writing, if you are in a habit, this is also some type of habit you are making. Once you are making this habit, you will be writing articles and you will be also guiding others on how to do that. This is just something that you need to put your mind at place. Okay. Okay, so let's move it to the next slide. Now, extremely important types of articles, more examples are there. Best tip ever, colon, space, then whatever is the tip that you're providing over there. Then 15 tips for dash that you absolutely can't miss this. 15 must read dash on this. 10 dash you need to know about this. 10 ways you need to know about something. This you can change it. You can fill in the blanks with whatever you have in your mind. I'm only providing you templates. The only dash you should do today. 5 questions you must ask before going for an interview. 15 questions you must ask yourself before going for an interview. 5 surefire ways that you need immediately to run a business. Okay. So you can change, and whatever things you want to do, you can change it. Okay. So whatever ideas are coming in your mind, please go and type them, because I read each and every comment. I'm just seeing that I'm not missing any comments over here. Okay. Till now, I'm not missed any comment. Please keep on writing your comments, because I need to be like very quick with that. Now, trendy and effective types of article titles. These are few examples. 15 budgeting tricks for solo women travelers. See, when you're going for if a solo woman is going for traveling, then you can share whatever budgeting tricks you have already done. Suppose you are a solo woman, so you already know these tricks. Then you can share with them, and they're definitely going to like it. One of my friend is Ranjana, and she is a solo woman traveler, and she's been to Dubai, to different countries, and she's got lot of tips and tricks to share. So this is the way. Suppose when she's going 3 months in advance, so she's booking at a very low price. When she's choosing a dormitory instead of going to a hotel. Okay, so these are many things which you can share, and these tricks will be loved by the international audience. You need to target international audience instead of thinking only about India and neighboring countries. Please target international audience: USA, UK, Australia, Canada, and they will actually love your article. They will read it, and those people actually will go and highlight your text. This is a special thing in Medium.com, that when the people like your article, they will highlight it somewhere, and sometimes they will also highlight to guide you that this sentence needs to be changed. So you are getting your review on a constant basis, and in this way your article will be evolving. It will be getting better day by day. Okay. Then the next is 10 insanely powerful ideas to stay on a healthy diet. Suppose Abita wrote an article on a healthy diet yesterday or day before yesterday. So now the next article title should be can be this one, if she likes it. 10 insanely powerful ideas to stay on a healthy diet. You have taken a healthy diet, but you're not able to stay. This is the problem area. You need to find the problem area also and write some effective catchy type of article title, so that people can come to you to grab that information. You will get traffic, and traffic is money. Okay. Now for Prantika, I have given one article title: 5 peaceful travel destinations to revive your entrepreneurial spirit. Suppose you're an entrepreneur. Suppose I am an entrepreneur, and I am always surrounded by so many phone calls all the time. All the time I'm surrounded by mastermind and live webinars and answering doubts, questions. So sometimes I need peace. So what I will do, I will go ahead to Google and see that whatever the travel destination around me, or when I don't want to find or connect with any people, I just want to connect with nature. Okay, because when you are connecting with all the people in the urban areas, then you want to go to some lonely place to revive the power inside you. You will go ahead over there. I just go over there and meditate. When I am meditating, I get power again and I have got more ideas, because I am blanking my mind completely over there. When I'm going, I am reprogramming my system, or pressing Control Alt Delete on my system. In this way, I reprogram it by going into meditation state. And then when I'm coming back, I'm completely fresh, cheerful, powerful, because now I can give you more ideas. Okay. So in this way, another thing is 10 legitimate ways to enhance your low credit score. Suppose one of the person I gave this tip to, Swapnil Joshi, has acquired my idea of writing on low credit score, because this is an area where not much have been written. I will show you how to overcome credit low CIBIL score in India. Or you can take this one. How to increase CIBIL score from 600 to 750. This thing is very much needed for people who want to acquire loans or credit cards or many things, because if your credit score is low, below this category, below 600, then what will happen? Banks will reject your loans. So you need to bring it to over here and see. Only 1,13,000 results are coming up. So if a person is writing on this thing, only moneymantra.com has written, creditmonthly.com is writing, bankbazaar.com is writing, Quora is writing, credit the LP India is writing, India Infoline. So only big players are writing over here, and those are also, this is an area to tap. This is a market. This low result area. The result area is low. You will receive less audience on your profile, but it will convert into more traffic in the future for you, because you will get targeted people over there. Targeted people, when you bring targeted traffic to your articles, then what will happen? The people will stay more on your article because they will actually read it. Otherwise, if they're not concerned about the topic and they're coming by mistake, they will immediately leave. This is a this will not give value to your article. Search engines will not rank them. This is the most important parameter. If a person is staying longer on your article, then they are using your content. They are actually reading it. So it is better to write on something on which not many people have written already, and create your article titles in that way. Don't think that my article title is something different, so people will not actually love it. Write unique article titles, create unique articles, people will love them. Just click the publish button and release it. Don't have any assumptions in your mind. Instead of thinking, do something. Okay? Don't keep on thinking something. Now, I will just go down and see what more article titles I can get from here. No, not this one. Lot of results are coming. See, this is one thing. How to increase CIBIL score from 600 to 750 in Tamil. Now, people want this information in Tamil language also. So this is one way. Another way to do this. Now I will share more trendy and effective types of article titles, more examples. Proven social media tools to generate traffic to your niche site. This is completely targeted article title. Innovative hypnotic therapy techniques to control low back pain. Suppose one of our students is Mihir Vedya. He is a physical therapist also and a hypnotist also. So this article title I have created for him to give him both angles. So to add both his career fields into this article title. Innovative hypnotic therapy techniques to control low back pain. So in this way, a person who is inducing hypnotic therapy on others and also helping with physical therapy can help a lot of audience. Now let's see what traffic result this thing is bringing for us. Innovative hypnotic therapy techniques to control low back pain. Innovative hypnotic techniques to control low back pain. Many people have already written on this topic, but this doesn't mean that we cannot write on it. We need to change the article title. Hypnotherapy for the management of chronic pain. Okay, we can change it another way. Innovative hypnotic techniques to control pain. Only 5 results are coming. So we need to change this because this is not my subject. So I think Swapnil will be writing, like getting down to this, but I am just giving you an idea that what you can do to write something on your niche and on your both of your niches, and then combining together to bring audience on your like profile. Please, you people have any ideas on this thing? Please share something in the comment box. Aryan is saying, got it. Prinka is saying, oh, great, sounds great, and makes readers feel interested. So I'll be sharing these type of masterminds with you. Swapnil, is Swapnil here? I think 15 people are joined now. If Swapnil is here, please write something in the chat box. Otherwise, I will be sharing getting more insights from you people. Please ask whatever questions you have now regarding this thing. Okay, please keep on asking, because then I will be giving you more ideas on how to innovate and brainstorm and get unique innovative ideas. See, our purpose should be not to write simply. Simple is fine. In the long term, it's fine, but we need to grab attention of our audience, and we need to make it viral, because today's time is of trending and viral things. Role of hypnosis and low backache management. Let's see. Okay, Vidya is a physiotherapist. She's also here. Natasha is also a physiotherapist. So we have 3 physiotherapists over here. Let's see what they are saying. Is there any free keyword searching tool? Yes, we can do it. Of course, we can do it, Ashraf. But all people are using those free keyword searching tools. So when you will be using those things, then you will be ending in. Oh, you can also use answerthepublic.com now with this one. Let's use it. Let's see. First of all, I need to write this title: Role of Hypnosis and Low Backache Management. Again, many like search results are a little bit narrowed down, but many articles are already there. Okay, this is something. Sciatica. Suppose I am having a sciatica pain, so I will just go ahead and see what. Okay, 6,96,000. Now I am narrowing down. Not many people who are into hypnotherapy have written on sciatica. This is the way. You need to see the variation. Hypnosis for sciatica pain, more search results. Hypnotherapy for sciatica from a physiotherapist perspective. $3,72,000 only. So you can tweak this and change this article title. We are narrowing down on our article titles right now. In this way, go and narrow down. I will do more research now. Hypnotherapy for sciatica from a physiotherapist perspective. Myofascial release for sciatica. But this is not. Okay, this is also only 4,94,000. You will get low competition over here if you're writing on myofascial release for sciatica, if you're into medicine. So this should be a title, suitable title for you people. You can go more narrow down in this. Okay. Physiotherapy for sleep problems, not able to see your typing. Okay, KP, I will help you out. Holistic approach towards low back pain, low back ache through subconscious hypnosis. Dr. Pradanya is saying something. Let's take her title over here. Nice. 4,57,000 results only. Why it's changing? Okay, through is spelled wrong. Through. Backache. 2,68,000. Nice. But the article title is very long. You can decrease 1 to 2 words in this. Okay. You can get ideas from this search result also. 3 mind-body therapies to help decrease pain. So you can add 3 mind-body hypnotic therapies to help decrease sciatica pain. Okay. Please, whatever questions you are coming to your mind right now, because this is a very interactive session, please ask from me right now. I will just display over here and we will share results with each other and we will discuss and research. I like the way you tag both niches for an innovative title, but somewhere I lack creating it. Though working on the same. Natasha, see, that title was specifically made for Swapnil. Swapnil is into physiotherapy also and hypnotic therapy also. He's a hypnotist. That's why I gave the title to him. You can check, you can get your own article title. See, you are more into healing people's pain. Natasha is more into healing people's pain through physiotherapy also, but through human touch also. Okay, she's more like has a like internal feeling, not as a professional, but as a healer. So you can always create your own articles on that, and you always can get ideas on that. I will share something with you. For Natasha, healing physiotherapy healing people in pain with just a minute. Healing people in pain with humane, or please give me some word out of this. I want to make it like a person who is more into like healing people without like going more into professionalism. Please give me the word. I'm not getting that word right now. We are not able to see what you are searching in your system. Okay. Just a minute. I will again check. I'm sharing. I'm clicking this. I'm sharing my entire screen with you people. Are you able to see me now properly? Are you able to see my search also properly? Please tell me. Yeah, answer the. How about physiotherapy in sleep apnea? Let's see. Physiotherapy and sleep apnea. See, sleep apnea can also be healed by and physiotherapy and hypnosis for sleep apnea. 3,20,000 results only. This is a unique thing, and you will get lot of benefit out of this in the long term. Not many people see people who are into medicine. They can go ahead and see and read journals, online medical journals. Go ahead and see them, research over there, because there are lot of people who have done research. Lot of scientists, doctors have done the research on this, or physicians have done the research. You can go ahead and see that what ideas they are inducing. Those are completely new ideas sometimes, and you might not have information about that, but you can in your field you can go ahead and grab the information and then write something different. Okay, spiritual healer. We can also write for phobias. Yeah, Shubhra, we can write on phobias. Let's see. I had hydrophobia. When I was drowning into 2 feet of water while I was coming from a landslide, I used to do like this when I was just 19 years of age. But to overcome this thing, I again went to the water park and again took all the slides because it was a challenge for me. So whatever fears you have, whatever phobias you have in your life, do that again. You are afraid of something and it is good for you. go ahead and do it. If you are afraid of going to the mountains and you have like other type of phobia, fear of height. Let's see what is fear of height. Agoraphobia or something? No. Acrophobia is fear of heights. So if you have fear of heights, go to heights. Go to low heights first, then go to more heights. And then when you are in the top of the world, scream in whatever way possible. This is the way to break through from your fear. And you can utilize this thing in each and everything in your life. If you're afraid of some person, scream in front of him. Okay? Here's the thing. Can there be two titles same but content different? No. Your article's title should be completely synchronizing with your, I will just write over here. Your articles titles should be completely in sync with your content and keywords or tags. Okay? Your article title should be completely in sync with your content that you're providing in the article and the keywords or tags. If your tags are something different, then those will be marked spammy by the search engines, even by the audience. Okay? Can there be two titles? Sorry, fear of public speaking. Yes, we can write on that. Fear of speaking in public. Glossophobia. 10 life hacks for glossophobians to help speak in public. Only 14,700 results. Good to go. 10 life hacks for glossophobians to help them speak in public. So now you can use, see, a person who is a glossophobian, he may or may not learn or be knowing about this word, this term, glossophobian, but he is always knowing about this thing, that he is not able to speak in public. So in this way, with your article title, you are teaching first of all him that what are the ways or life hacks to get out from this fear. And in another way, you're also teaching them then this is your word. Your fear is called this glossophobia. Sorry. More ideas. So many articles are already present on hypnosis, and if I write without having a copyright issues, when you are writing something from your own heart, then you are not falling or landing into any copyright issues. No copyright issues for them, for all who write in their own words. Okay? And just keep sending this to you in chat also. I will just make it sticky over here. So article title should be in sync with keywords that users are searching for. Good, Pooja Dara is there. She is a content writer since so many years now. We have a lot of doctors over here. Nagendra is saying all good till now. Abita, Shubhra, Nagendra, now able to see. Please ask more questions. How about physiotherapy? Already done. Answerthepublic.com. Let's see Answer the Public now. Answerthepublic.com. Let's go inside. This is a free visual keyword research and content tool. Let's type something which you are asking over here. Physiotherapy in sleep apnea Vidya is saying. I'm just typing it over here and then trying to get questions. It's loading up. Physiotherapy in sleep apnea questions. No, it is not giving a very good answer on this. So I need to go again and type either physiotherapy or sleep apnea. So there are a lot of questions on sleep apnea. So if you are using two keywords, then it's not bringing the results. But when you are using, see, when you will be clicking on this keyword, suppose I'm clicking on how sleep apnea affects blood pressure. So these are the search results. Actually, these questions users are asking, and if you are making articles out of that, those will be immediately loved by them. Will sleep apnea causes shortness of breath? Yes, it is possible. WHO obstructive sleep apnea, World Health Organization. When is sleep apnea considered severe? I will see some unique to go down to the results. Physiotherapy is not mentioned over here. That Vidya asked, are sleep apnea machines covered by Medicare Australia? This is narrow down. 16,10,000 results only. We can go more narrow down in this. Does Medicare cover CPAP machines in Australia? 5,49,000 results. If you know about CPAP and how CPAP helps in sleep apnea, then you can write on that topic that you have just shared. I will just give it to you again. Not this one, this one. If you know about the Australian law, you can go ahead and research it. Only 5,94,000 searches on this keyword, on this title. Does Medicare cover CPAP machines in Australia? I think Medicare, why Medicare will cover in Australia? Because Medicare is an organization in USA. So this is a wrong question, I think. Let us find more. Let's close this one. What sleep apnea sound like? Where to test for sleep apnea near me? This will get all the local results. Not useful. How sleep apnea causes high blood pressure? Again, a lot of things have been written already. So in this topic, if you want to write something, you need to write something unique, because sleep apnea has been on this topic, many things have been already done. Okay, sleep apnea and hypertension relationship. No. Let's take some other topic now. No, Ashraf, it's Answer the Public. I will just share the link with you. Answerthepublic.com. Here it is. Making it sticky. You can go ahead and use this site, answerthepublic.com, and you will get. See, you can use it for free only for 3 times. After that they will be charging. So instead of going to them again, then you can find something like this. Whenever you have something which is asking you for money, then you can do this thing. Answer the public, some tool, online tool or something, alternative. In this way, you will find a lot of kparser, kparser.com is one. 3 cool new keyword tools for generating content ideas. You can go ahead and check it. Because Answer the Public is limited to 3 searches, I suppose. One is Answer the Public. Second one is FAQ Fox. Then KW Finder. See, most of the time when I have searched, I have not used any keyword tool. I'm like telling you this thing. This is the reason why my articles are completely unique and different from other people. See, these keyword tools are used by millions of people on the internet. So whatever is coming in from a human mind, that is completely unique. Okay. So always be dependent on your own brains than being dependent on these keyword tools. These can give you ideas, but use your brain and use Google search. You will be landing into good things. I'm telling you. This is I am saying from my personal experience. What should be the range of number of searches that we should look for to write on a topic? Range of number of searches. Yeah, that's what I told you. It should okay. I will again make it sticky. Range of numbers as asked by Nitin. Search and get something between 3 to 4 lakh searches. Okay, this is a low competition area. I will show you that how it is possible. Suppose I am writing this article title, how to overcome stammering in with Ayurveda. So only 1,59,000 search results are coming over here. Are you able to see my screen? Because this thing is very important. Number of results you mean? Yeah, range of, not range of numbers, number of results. Yes, Aryan. Whatever comes from mind needs to be cross-verified. Yes, it needs to be cross-verified. But I am telling about not using the keyword tool all the time, because keyword tools are used by several millions of people outside. How can I stop stammering permanently? Ashwagandha, Patanjali products for stammering, only 51,700 results. Honey and salt for stuttering, many results. Ayurvedic medicine name for stammering, 2,04,000. So these are the results that you should be looking for. Okay, let's see some other. We should not talk about all the time about stammering or traveling or something. Please give me some other topic, some different topic which no one is using over here. So it should be can be used by other people. Please give me some other like topic. Parenting covered, finance covered, traveling covered, physiotherapy, hypnosis covered. Give me some ideas and whatever questions you have. So many articles are already present. Fear of public speaking. Plagiarism. Don't worry about plagiarism when you're writing in your own words. Natasha. Google, so we're not able to holistic approach, low back pain, low backache through subconscious hypnosis. See, it is all about going into long tail keywords. When you were taking long tail keywords, then ultimately, automatically, the search results will come down. Okay, let's move ahead. Cooking. Okay, Nikhil is IT automation merits and demerits. Nagendra is saying. Okay, now let's go to Nagendra. IT automation. Automation is done by machine learning and artificial intelligence, and it is in the limelight right now. RT 5 pros and cons of artificial intelligence. Five pros and cons of utilizing robots instead of humans. So many researches have already been done over here, and we can change the topic again. 5 advantages and disadvantages of robots of artificial intelligence in organizations. No, let's go down and see what search results are coming. 20 advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence you should know. Can you go down something into artificial intelligence and machine learning? Machine bungee jumping, declutter, skydiving. Skydiving is an, oh, so now you're giving me very nice ideas. Environment recycling is already been covered. Decluttering. Abhita, when I type my article title in Google search, what is the search range that favors writing on that? Something between 3 to 4 lakh searches, Abhita. Photography, Pooja is saying. 10 photography hacks for women for random click hacks for photopreneurs. See, this is not my area, but we need to do something, some research on this. Some unique type of photographers. Who are those? Cloud photography. How to take great cloud photography. Let's see. How to get dramatic skies in photography. DSLR settings for blue sky. Cloudscape photography. Astrophotography. This is something different. See, this is something different. You can use this thing for selling Amazon products. Best telescope for astrophotography under $1,300. There are not many research results, but there are a lot of products that have been selling. Refracting telescope, Celestron Nexstar, Celestron Nexstar. This. You can also go to. Let's go to Amazon today. Amazon International. Amazon.com global store. astrophotography. Let's see how popular this thing is. See, there are a lot of cameras that have been sold already over here. Astrophotography, Sky Watcher, Star Adventure, Astropack. You can go ahead and sell these on your medium.com articles. Become a member of Amazon.com. Grab your affiliate link. Go to your medium.com page. Now here. Let's create, edit the story. Suppose I want to paste this link over here. I will just go inside. Create another story. Whatever I've written over here, and I'm writing over here. If you want to create a link over here, but to sell it, write on some product review or something, then link it like this. Add your link, commission, affiliate link over here, and leave it. This will be highlighted. See, this is highlighting. Now, if a person will be coming over here, you're writing an article title on. Your article title is this. Where it is. Best telescope for auto photography under $1,300. If Pooja Dara is writing on this thing, this is her title. Okay, and then she's writing the content over here and then posting her affiliate link over here. Please don't use many affiliate links, only use 1 to 2 links in your article. 2 are more than enough. And then the person will be clicking, will be learning over here that what is the best telescope that Pooja has. Or you can also give varieties. 3 telescopes for astrophotography under these. Okay? And then when a person will click this link over here, the person will land onto the Amazon International page and will buy it from your, and you will generate commission. Do people know about this thing? And not many people know about this thing. Yeah, how to take affiliates, how to be a seller at Amazon with homemade products, various ideas to use coconut shells as ornament or for interior design. How to be a seller at Amazon with homemade products. Let's see this topic. How to sell homemade products on Amazon India. Many people have already written on this. If you want to know about this, are you like asking about this, that you want to know about this, or you are saying that I want to, this is your like article title, various ideas to use coconut shells as ornament or for interior design. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, in this way also, but this is not bringing up so many like narrow down results. How to make coconut shell teacups. Okay, I have an idea how to make homemade wooden floating shells. Oh, many people have written already. So I will be keeping another mastermind on this.
So guys, yeah, so how you are feeling now after this session? Tell me. Actually, that was a complete recap of my session. It was my last, like I think, 13th mastermind session, and today's is this one is 71st mastermind session. And why I have taken all of you guys over there, the reason is that, guys, there is a lot of information that has been already shared in the courses. That video is worth watching. But tell me, how many of you have watched it till now? Okay, so this was basically a recorded session which I did many months back, but still it is very valuable. All the ways that I've shared over there, everything is valuable. You just have to go watch the videos and do your work. This is something which I wanted to share with you, that yeah, live sessions are really good. When we come inside the live sessions, we engage with people and we get more and more ideas. But if your mentor has kept something for you, and that is basically you have paid for that, then you should use it. Okay, because I will feel honored if you will use it. Okay, so now let me come back to this point. Now whatever questions you have in your mind, you can ask from me, and I will answer them in this live session. Before that, one more thing which I wanted to share with you is regarding summaries. A brief screen share I will start right now, and I will share on summaries, and then you can ask me those questions. Okay, so I'm just sharing my screen again and closing this video.
I will be keeping another mastermind on this.
Okay, and going to this session, which was meant for today. Okay, and you have already gone through all these details. If you want these details, I will send you this complete list over there. Okay, if you want me to do this session again, it is up to you. I can do it again, but I just want to make sure, see all the titles and everything, how to and guides of types of titles, and now the summary. See, as you have already seen, and we have researched on various titles in the previous session, the recap. Okay, now I will talk about something about summaries. Once you have written your article, you have created your title and everything is fine now. Now, the most important thing after title is summary. And for summary is just like metadata. Okay, just like metadata for websites or web pages, in the same way, summaries are meant for our revenue sharing portal on which you all are writing. Okay, you need to give a perfect summary. So before writing your summary, read your article once again. And while you're reading, keep in mind that what the central idea of your article is. Concentrate completely on this. Write down some points in a separate MS Word document or notepad while reading. The summary will be short. It will be very short. So you need to actually present your idea in very, like you can say, less words. Okay. So now let's move to the next part. When you start writing the summary, keep the following things in your mind. Number one, please note them down. Write in present tense. Be concise. A summary should be short. Don't put your own opinions, ideas, or interpretations into the summary. A well-written summary could be the deciding factor between a potential reader clicking through to your article or moving on. So interesting, well-written original summaries are worth the little bit of time they take to write. Okay. Example of a summary. Would you like to change your life positively? Today you can. What follows is an outline of various ways that enable you to bring success to everything you do. Okay. In this, only in these 1, 2, 3, only 3 simple sentences, you need to complete your summary, and you need to ignite that fire inside your reader's mind to click on that link on the search engine and go and visit your article. Otherwise, you all are mature writers and you know what to write in the summary. Okay. Make it a habit of to write quick summaries of up to 155 to 160 characters only, because if you write more than that, those will be truncated. I recommend you to make a habit of writing a quick summary for each article before you publish. It will add some extra polish to the article and will encourage people using search engines to have a closer look at your work. Okay, now let me close this screen share. Enough about summary and everything. Now, I would like to ask one question, because we have all gone through the titles and effective and attention grabbing titles and trendy, everything, and summaries also. Now the time is that there was one question which was always in my mind to ask from you guys, and I hope someone has answer for that. Why and how the chapters of books, the article, the titles mentioned in the chapter of the books are different from online articles, of those in online articles, sorry. Mr. Prakash Pandey, do you have answer to this question? Could you please give us an answer for this? And then we will ask Mr. Murali Krishna. He's like smiling a lot right now with a very, like, awesome smile today. And your background is really good. Is this virtual, Mr. Murali Krishna? Just a minute. I will just unmute you. Is this virtual, Murali?
It is a screen actually.
It is a screen. Okay, very nice screen. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Prakash Pandey, please carry on. Yeah.
Sure. First of all, it was an amazing session, and it's good to be with this group. It's always good. So there are a couple of things, like I write a lot. So when it comes to web articles or content pieces, first of all, it should hook people with the title itself, because within a book you get multiple chances to hook the audience. Let it be the title or let it be the initial paragraph, and it's easier since the audience has already bought the book. So writing titles is a bit easier within the book, not in a comparative manner. But yes, for web articles, it has to be very catchy. So yes, that's my first take on this, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay. Any other point you want to add to this? Because this is, oh my God, there's an earthquake over here.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very, 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 very strong.
Wow, please get out then.
I was just trembling like this. No worries. Nothing is going to happen. I think there are many earthquakes which are happening in Delhi. So now let me ask Murali Krishna also. Murali Krishna.
If there is any natural calamity problem, we tell you to be safe.
See, Mr. Murali, whatever is going to happen, it will happen. And see,
This is
right now
second
in
today.
Delhi only.
This
Yeah,
is second
yes.
earthquake today. First one is around 5 p.m. This is today, and this is very long duration, means or almost 1 minute.
This is very, very, very like.
Yes.
I was just trembling like I thought there
Even still, we are
Where?
feeling the shocks.
Yeah.
Where are you located?
New
in
Delhi.
South Delhi.
Okay.
West Patel Nagar, New Delhi.
Oh.
Okay.
And it's
So,
very
Murali
shivering.
Krishna, do you want to
Yeah.
say something?
Yeah, actually, as Prakash was telling, the book has got a title of its own, and when we come to the article, it has to describe only about that particular aspect.
Mm-hmm.
And I have seen two types of article headings in my career. Actually, in some of the articles, they used to write 2-3 line headings, which will be very descriptive, and it will be like reading a summary what we write now. And in some of the others, we see very, very short. It is in the case of printed book, I am telling, book chapters. Otherwise, when we come to the digital web pages, it is an independent page, and it has its own identity, and so here we have to take a lot of care to serve the reader what is the purpose and what is so. And moreover, it is to get article properly indexed in the Google search engines. So we have to have proper keywords, Otherwise, the
Keywords.
search engines will not.
That one word I was looking for, actually, keywords.
Okay.
And you have come to the point. So see, when we are writing in the books, we know we want keywords, because in that also people will take the book from the shelf, and then they will read the title and then the back part, okay, backside, and then they will read inside a little bit and then they will buy it. But when it comes to articles, online articles, then everything is dependent on keywords. Or if you will not enter the keywords that you have mentioned in your article, if you will not enter that at least 1 to 2 keywords over there in your title, then your article will not rank. Okay, please carry on other things if you have, Mr. Muralikrishna.
Yeah, that's what actually I wanted to tell you. And other thing is that I have repeatedly noticed, and I have been telling in the groups also, is that it is about summary. Instead of writing a crisp summary, as you told, what people are doing is that they are writing another short introduction. So that people most of the times do a mistake. They do not include keywords there. So they just try to give another short introduction to lead into the topic.
Besides that, there are various other points, like when a person is basically searching for an article online, then keywords are important, titles are important, summaries are important. Whereas when the person is searching for a book, then the person will only go ahead and search for word of mouth advertisement, or from their friends or colleagues or relatives, or book lovers, other book lovers, or will go through various reviews or everything, okay, from getting from other people. Sometimes book reviews are also created online also, and then also people go and buy from shelf. But when it completely comes to this online article writing, then basically besides keywords, titles, summaries, and then the subheadings and all these things like engagement and everything, there the most important thing is basically that you are adding some value in one go. Because if your person is buying a book, then in book there are various chapters, and those chapters are interconnected with each other. But as Murli has already said, that over here the articles are independent. So in one article, the online writer has to cover whatever is the best for that topic. So this makes article writing online and article writing offline very different. Okay. So let me ask Neha Singh if she wants to say something. I think Neha, you were talking about Sujok therapy. I think you were the person in the FB Live, or some other person. Neha, do you have any questions right now?
Like I want to know more, like how can we get started with this?
With writing and earning online?
Yes.
Okay. I will tell you those things also. And let me first of all ask Natasha, because Natasha is also has some curiosity right now, and she wants to, I think she has the answer for this one. Yeah, please, Natasha.
Honestly, I guess you already covered what I was about to talk. That especially the point about that chapters are interconnected. I mean, the first chapter will talk about the introduction, and the last chapter of the book will always say the summary, or will say that the book has ended. We'll get the entire storyline. Whereas when it comes to article writing, we have to in that one single article we have to cover all the points which we are supposed to talk. So that was the point I was about to say.
Right.
And I guess you have already very well mentioned it.
Nice, nice.
And
thanks for the engagement, because engagement is very important for online writers, because we are basically dependent on traffic and views. Okay. So if more and more people will engage, then we will get more.
Actually, that is the exact session I am going to take tomorrow about how to add.
Okay. Yes. Tomorrow, what is the time? 12 p.m. you have fixed? What came up in the poll?
Let's see how the yeah, till now 12 to 1 p.m. But let's see,
Okay.
I have given time till 10 p.m. So let's see how people respond
Share
to
with
that.
all of us, and we will
Yes,
make
yes,
it
definitely.
public, and we'll make it you will get a lot of traffic. Okay, don't worry.
Yes.
So this is the benefit of our community. So let me ask Mahesh also. Mahesh ji is also a book author, and I wish that Sushmita is also there. Mahesh, do you want to say something? Mystic Yogi.
No, I think book titles are very different from this online titles because in books we develop characters.
Mm-hmm.
So we include characters, we include heroes, we include villains.
Mm-hmm.
So then we give chapter titles, we can give it one single word also.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
While in online writing, we have to describe whatever the title should contain all the crisp summary of whatever you are mentioning. But in books, you give titles according to the scenes you are creating in each chapter. So it's totally different from online arting because you will be first you will be developing the characters and plot also. Then in the part you will show you some tragedy or how much tragedy he's facing. He's trying to overcome those tragedies, but again those are creating more problems for hero. Instead of solving that, it's creating more problems. Then you try to
Your
overcome that.
your voice is not clear. What I would like to add over here, Mahesh, is that could you please tell us in just one sentence that did you have a lot of problem while starting writing online? Because before that you were basically a book author and a copy editor. So when you started with us, then did you find a lot of difficulties or it was very easy for you? I think we are losing connection with Mahesh right now due to some internet issue or something. So let me ask Arnaba. Arnaba, you can turn on your video if you want, and you want to say something right now. Without the video also you can say, no worries. Arnaba. Okay. Sijani, do you want to add something?
Nothing special, sir. In online articles, we just want to type keywords and we will get a lot of options from that also. That's the thing.
Okay. So you understood whatever happened in the session today, na?
Yeah.
You got value. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So I think Saurabha is also there, I think, or they are like on the FB Live. Okay. So this was the session which I wanted to do with you guys, and the session was meant to be done around I think 2 to 3 weeks back, but due to my health or something, I was not able to do it, and I think I did it and I was not able to record it. Okay, so this is the reason I did it in a different way today, and to give you more insights into writing different types of article titles. Okay, and then the summary also. So if you have any questions, do you want to say something? Did you got some value today? Mr. Prakash Pandey, do you want to add something?
Yeah, okay. So I was unmuted there for a second.
Yeah.
Yes, it definitely did add value. But since I write a lot, in fact, I think between yesterday and today, I have written close to 6,000 words. So what I do for titles is, like you have mentioned those not spreadsheets, those presentations, and you have listed all of those titles in there that you can modify them and customize them. So that's what I precisely do. Like I have, I think 200 to 300 different headlines, and every time I want to create something, I simply modify that. So as a writer, that is a big help. Otherwise, you will spend a lot of time just doing that. So yes,
you should share your strategy, because you are writing 5,000 words per day. So for 5,000 words, you are writing at least 5 article titles per day.
That depends again. The article that I'm working on right now, its length is 7,000 words. Okay.
Okay,
I
one
submit
article. Okay.
one single article.
Okay,
Okay.
single article. Okay.
Yeah. So, so
So are you writing product reviews? Amazon product reviews?
it varies. It's not Amazon products. Now these are credit cards. Okay.
Okay, you're writing
So
credit cards right now.
yes,
Basically finance.
yes, credit
Finance
cards.
is niche.
Yes, this one is related to finance, but
Okay.
otherwise I write on like blockchain technology, and then fintech, and then finance. Fintech as in financial technology.
Since how many years you have been writing on finance?
Okay, for on finance now. Before answering that, I would take on one other another point. Like in your courses, I have seen you ask people to choose a niche. Okay, now that is why I chose finance. I think 7 to 8 years ago, and it has helped me a lot because now I only write about that. And whenever some, and now I have established my authority on that single topic.
Yes.
So it gets quite easy to find the work. Plus, I understand the ins and outs of the industry. There isn't any single topic that I cannot write about in finance, especially. So that gives me authority, and finding work gets easier. And with that being said, I already told you about the title. Now, for the summary, again, you described it quite well. That you have to give a brief idea, but you have to make it engaging because within the search results, you see those 2 to 3 sentences only. So that's again a critical part, and it is good to write it at the end. And yes, after that, there are so many things that I use. So let me share one or two. I have covered title, then summary, then structure. Like when writing something, after the title, you start with the structure, put in content in there. It makes it easy because as a professional writer, now Neha, I did hear that you asked about that how to make I think money online writing. So I do that professionally. So let me tell you how. You start writing on a sure. You Rajendraji, is it okay if I take a bit
No worries.
time
Please,
on
please
this?
take it up.
Okay, okay. So I'll tell you how I got started. I started like Rajendraji suggests everyone to start on hub pages. But back in the days when I started, it was I think 2010. So I started working for a website called India Study Channel. So there used to be editors. Yeah, there used to be editors there, and they would pay you like $10 or $20 or 50 rupees at the max for an article. So that's how I came to know that you can start making money online writing. Then I heard about these freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and all of that, and that's how I got started on that. Okay, and then I defined my niche, and I continued getting work. Then I also got the opportunity to work with firms like, I think as of now I have written for all the major platforms, including Forbes, MarketWatch, Nasdaq, and in India I write for Aditya Birla, ICICI, a lot of different firms. So it happens slowly, but as you start building your authority, you can get a lot of opportunities. Now, another good thing about this group is that Rajender ji recommends you on LinkedIn. So you get picked up from there. I remember, I think I converted ICICI from there itself. Like I mentioned something there, someone saw that they liked it. And I was speaking with Rajender ji, that happened with another writer that like he recommended him, and that's how the writer got it. So
And
that's how.
also, Prakash, joined our courses just because of my mission statement on LinkedIn.
Yeah. That's again a very interesting story. I looked his Mr. Rajender's mission statement. It was really good because I know as a freelancer, it's hard to get started. Most people are not aware of it, right? That how to actually make money. And then again, they it in some ways you doubt it, that is it really possible to make money online. Okay, and plus I have seen so many articles which puts a restriction on how much money do these writers make. I've seen articles that say ridiculously low amounts like 15,000, 20,000, 40,000. But the truth is that the article that I have been working on, I think I have made 600 to $700 from yesterday to today. That turns out to be 45,000 rupees. Okay, so it depends. As you grow, you start making money, and you make a ton of money, provided you continuously improve your skills and you continue to market yourself. That is critical. So this course, Mr. Rajender's course, I think this will teach you how to write. Then you start practicing that, and then use all the different marketing strategies. Like there is a session tomorrow from Natasha. So get the
On
hints
Sunday,
from,
there will be one more session
yes, on
from my
Sunday.
side, and
Yeah.
it will be basically on creating your first model course, how to
Hmm.
create that as a digital coach. After
Yeah.
graduating from article writing,
Uh-huh.
I'm giving further training, advanced training also. So in that thing also. Okay. So all the coaches, for all the coaches, that session has been announced today only, and it will be done at 12 p.m. on Sunday. Okay.
Hmm.
So tomorrow also we have got a session at 12 p.m. by Natasha, and on Sunday also we have session. You have session from me. Okay.
Yes, and perhaps, I mean, if it's possible, I would like to give a session on how to use Grammarly, and in the future, how to become a freelancer full time and make good money.
Yeah, definitely. You should do that session. I welcome
Yeah.
even Murli Krishna, Mahesh, if he wants to. See, each one of us can do session right now. What is happening over here is, suppose I have expertise in something. Like Prakash has expertise in Fiverr. I have expertise in online writing. Murli Krishna has expertise in science writing. Mahesh Gaur has expertise in ebook creation online. Each and every person is important for us. Sijani is important for diet. Okay, whoever will be having some diet issues or will be obese will be taken care by Sijani. Okay, so we have
It's
a
a very hot niche.
complete India over here in Digital Writerpreneurs Hub, and we are 107 writers right now. And Poonam ji is there. Poonam Malik is an editor. She's writing like really good right now. Although she was very anxious about joining us in the beginning. She thought that I am an editor. I have like done only editing throughout my life. Would I be able to write? She and now when she started writing, continuously her 4 articles got like featured, and then she stuck with the last article, and then that got also published, and she passed the boot camp. Okay, so Natasha, we have Neha Singh, we have basically different levels in Digital Writerpreneurs Hub when you will join us. There is a one-time joining fees. After that, you don't have to pay anything if you just want to carry on with digital writing and earning online. Earning system is also provided by me as an active income. First, you need to create your 30 articles on our revenue sharing portal, which is already mentioned, hubpages.com. And then over there, you will get graduated. And while graduating through all these things, I will give you cash prizes. Once you will pass your DW boot camp, which is 5 articles which are featured. Okay. And then you will pass your 20 articles, then another cash prize. Then when you pass your 30 articles, if you pass your 30 articles in the 60 days, then you go into the writing contest of Digital Writerpreneurs Hub, and you get cash prizes in terms of like $100, $50, and $25, and 5 prizes of $10 each. Okay. Now once you complete your 30 articles in our system, then you become eligible for writing at rajendrasoni.com, which is my our website, not my website. So our website name is mine because it is famous due to the Digital Writerpreneurs Hub brand. Now when you will write for rajendrasoni.com, at that point in time, I pay to each qualified writer at 50 paisa per word. And this is a general rule. Many people are already getting paid from that. Okay. So when you will write over there, then unlike other clients outside, what is happening over there is that when you will give your article to some client, they will pay you the money, and then they will take the article. Then you will have no interaction regarding that article. But in our system, you can edit and update your article anytime by giving it again to me. If you want, you will have your name below the article, written by Neha Singh, edited by Rajendra Soni. So this is something, and I need at least 1,000 word article from you. So that comes down to 500 rupees per day. Okay. And this system is basically moving ahead. And in the coming months, I will be launching more websites on that, because once one website is becoming successful, because from where I am getting money, I am using Google AdSense ads on my website, and from that I am generating money. I am generating money from your courses that you are buying. Okay, I'm generating money from hubpages.com. I'm generating money from some other place also. So all these things help me in paying you guys. Okay, so this is a complete plan which I want to share with you. And I have been writing articles online since last 12 years, written more than 1,000 articles already. and you can go ahead and type my name in Rajinder Soni, Rajinder space SONI in Google search, and on the first page you will see all my social media sites, my writing platform, and online universities courses. Now once you will join us, you will not have to upgrade to anything else if you are joining us at just one-time fees, which is of 25,000 with all the 7 courses in that. And that fees you can pay in EMIs. Okay, if you want to apply for EMIs over there, you can use your credit card and you can make EMIs out of that up to 24 EMIs. Okay, so that thing is already there in the system. So this is something which I wanted to share with all the people who wanted to join us. Now people say that besides this, what else we will get? You are getting money, you are getting value, because sessions will be incredible. After you are joining, after that, all the sessions, you will not have to pay anything for that. But for the digital coaching sessions, you will have to pay a separate thing if you want to do that. Okay. But now it comes to this thing, you can say, yeah, what else regarding besides knowledge and this thing, fame. Fame is another thing which is usually getting from me, because whenever you are getting all the prizes and everything, I'll be promoting you. You can go ahead and check my timeline over there. I think Saurabha has won a cash prize right now, and I have a habit of basically going through all your activities. I see what qualities you have as a writer, and I'm just exposing those, or I am just going ahead and making you famous over there, so that you can get connected with more clients and you can get more work from outside. So it's a win-win situation. If you want to join us, you will get money, fame, and knowledge, which is incredible, unlimited in our system. And the most important thing, like other courses, I will not be giving you any certificate, because certificates are useless. If a person is not a quality writer and the person has certificate, then the employer will just say them to go from here if the person is not able to clear the test. But if the person is able to clear the test and the person has no certificate, then also the person will get the job. Am I wrong? Okay. So thank you so much for coming in this session. Neha, you can talk with me and you can call me up, or we can talk on WhatsApp also. Okay, regarding further movement. And thank you so much for coming, Mr. Murli Krishna, Neha, Sijini, Mr. Prakash Pandey, Natasha, physiotherapist, and Dr. Umesh Rawal. He is basically spine specialist, pain management specialist, sorry, and Mr. Ashwini and Ms. Poonam Malik. Thank you so much for coming to this session. And that was a really, really fruitful session today. Bye. Take care.